to draw a dog. So let's get started. First, we're going to draw like the head. It's going to be like a hard snake head, but it's going to shape like that. I have my marker so you can see a little better. And then there. With it, I'm going to add a little bit of nose. No. You know floppy ears? Like the floppy ears. I'm gonna add the marker for now on. No Ariel. My cat Ariel is sticking out like here. I'm gonna add eyelashes to the dog because I like eyelashes to add to everything. Now we're gonna add like it's going down. And this is kind of like going up. Ariel, no! Let's try Ariel. She can go out if you want to. So I'm going to add the tail.
He's hungry.
If you want to, you can add like a little spot to it.
Sorry, I got your claw covered in kitty food. Trying to get here.
You're going to have to clean that up.
Yeah, just trying to get the kitty food.
Then we are going to add the legs. Nick, it's time to get up. It's okay, you can finish it after. Nick, ready? The lines to look like the like fingers, little thing. So I hope you like this video, and please subscribe and bye.